Dead battery? Here's how I fixed my Cub Cadet XT1 in under 10 minutes, and upgraded to a stronger battery at the same time. Upgrading to a 320 amp means faster starts, better performance in cold weather, and more reserve capacity when the mower sits for extended periods. It's an easy upgrade that can improve reliability and help prevent future starting issues. First up, grab yourself a pair of pliers and remove the safety bar. First, remove the black negative cable. This helps prevent sparks or shorting the battery. Then remove the red positive cable. Once both have been removed, lift out the old battery carefully, keeping it upright. Also clean the terminals by using a wire brush if there's any corrosion. Make sure the cable ends are clean and tight. The new battery is bigger, so you're going to need to remove the old tray. Now for a quick test fit. Now you will need to purchase a battery bracket kit in order to seat the new battery. All you need to do is snap them into the already made holes in the battery compartment. Now place the new battery and reinstall the hold down strap. The new battery should come with new nuts and bolts. Next, connect the positive red cable first, then connect the negative black cable. Make sure both terminals are tight and secure. Now, in order to not hit the wires, I went with this flexible attachment on the impact driver. exactly what we're looking for. Faster cranking, quicker starts, and a battery that's better equipped to handle the demands of the mower.